Hi everyone, in this tutorial I will show you how to create a silhouette effect using Canva. It's completely free. This silhouette effect is perfect for creating aesthetic thumbnails, posters, profile icons, or minimalist artwork. And it's all without using any paid tools. Okay, first just go to apps and then search for background eraser. Choose these apps and then choose your file that you want to turn into a silhouette. This tool will let you remove the background for free, so just click and let it process. Like this. Now just click on the image and go to edit. And then on the effects, choose duotone, choose custom, and then set the highlights and shadow to black. And that's it, your silhouette image is ready. You can now use it in your designs or export it as a PNG with a transparent background. And okay, maybe that's it. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more tutorials. Thanks for watching and see you!